It's called Love is the New Hate, and you can stream it anywhere, and I hope you enjoy it.
Stupid phrases you repeat, broken record, change the pace. We fight like cats and dogs, so where the heck is the plot? We fight like it's so bored, so where's the guns? The hot seat, the seat we sit into, discuss our thoughts and feelings. Promise that we will change whatever you say. Let's just say that love, 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 love's the new hate. Hey, and that love, 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 love's the new hate. Hey, and the promise that we both know we will both break. Escaping through the bathroom window, just say you're sorry. You're not though. Yours burning like dry ice, and your blue eyes scar my blood like knives. Don't be sorry as you repeat. I'm not stupid at the words you speak. We used to have so much fun, so what the hell have we done? Oh no, I thought it was a joke. So where's the punchline? The hot seat, the seat we sit into, discuss our thoughts and feelings. Promise that we will change whatever you say. Let's just say that love, 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 love's the new hate. Hey, ain't that love, 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 love's the new hate. Hey, the promise that we both know we will both break. For that's the way the stars are arranged. The tulips we put in a vase, they wilted away. Summer to winter like every day. Calling your name, a fuzz in my brain, clearing his throat to say you ran away. Change to someone you hate, but you already know the love is the new hate. You opened up a gate.